Steamer in our lab. It is a reliable, you cannot read it because it is nasty. It's a reliable model i500 BNR. It is a very good steamer. If you are not a user of steamers in your dental lab, once you get one, you'll never go back to using anything other than a steamer. So it's great for getting wax off retainers, cleaning them up, getting the black stuff off of the RPEs and pumice out of screws and things like that. So I'm going to show you how I do maintenance on this, or fill it up in the morning, and after it warms up, I'll show you how it works. Okay, there's a lid on top. See if I can do this one-handed. And I put this in. You see our black mark on there? That's where we need to fill it up to every day, and you're not supposed to overfill it. So use this little straw thing and you find the level. So it's about half full. I'd actually just done maintenance. It was leaking on us and I had to clean this solenoid. We have another one in the back. Same thing, so I'll try to make a video on how I do that. Alright, so I got my measuring cup. It's probably going to take about 2 or 3 of these to fill it up. And put my sponges around here because I can't pour right. You could also use a funnel. We used one for a while, but ends up just faster to pour it straight in. Clean off the straw. Probably one more. Perfect. How I'm using this is capping it. It traps it. There we go. Soak up some of this. And so you can see how dirty it is, and that's just like wax and stuff that's been sprayed on there. You could probably be a little cleaner with it. So I just hand tighten that, and then down here, this is boiler. Alright, so that starts heating up the tank. Usually this gets to about right here and it's ready to go. And then this is steam, which turns on this thing, which is button activated. So you could do this all you want, but unless this switch is on, it won't do anything, and they light up. There's also a low water warning light. So when this is on, it means that the water has run out. Usually your heavy days where you're putting out a bunch of retainers and pumicing them and cleaning them up, it will do a warning light and actually shut off everything, and you actually have to unscrew this and hit a button to restart it after you fill it up. There's many times that light's come on, we refilled it, and it doesn't warm up again, and we forget that we have to hit the reset button. So anyway, we'll come back later and I'll show you how this thing works. So it's been about 20 minutes. As you see, the light has gone off on the boiler, meaning it's up to temperature and it's ready to go. Make sure that the steam button's on so you can use this. Now remember, what we do is pull out a trash can here and we shoot it off in there to try to catch any spray off as much as possible. As you see, our yoga mat we've put down on our table is kind of dirty from all this, but what you do is you hit this button here. The very first stream that comes out's a lot of water, so you want to catch that. As you can see, it's a lot of steam. Does a good job cleaning. Let me see if I can get a retainer to show as an example. I don't have a retainer done yet. I'll try to get a video of that. But here's one where we've soldered. It's a wraparound soldered C's. We still got the heat shield on there, and we use a steamer to take that off too. Yeah, as you can see, it does a really good job removing excess. The purple stuff's our zap it we use to hold the wires down while we solder, but it does a really good job. I'll try to get some footage of getting wax off a retainer, which is what this thing is ideal for.
Yeah, it's on.
As you can see, the boiler light came back on, so it's reheating after you use it. It's not good for actual continuous use. Spurts every now and then, you get a good amount of steam, but it gets weaker the longer you use it. The price of these, they run about $500 to $600 for this one, and they range all the way up into the thousands. They even have one that has a continuous water feed, so you would run a line from your sink and it would just continuously feed itself water. Alright, so that's it. That is my little review of our steamer. I would say, man, a dental lab is remiss not to have one of these in their lab. So, hope that helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you on the next one.